Talking about the border is heavy, politically, ideologically, philosophically, theoretically, it's heavy. And that heaviness is served with big portions of many realities that are offered through different news outlets. We consider the border through someone else's story, through an official story, from an authority. I teach a Scribner Seminar called Chaos Finds a Voice, the politics of identity in the U.S. Mexico Borderlands. And it's all about the way that the border is relayed by borderland dwellers through different forms of art, because it offers a narrative that is sincere and original. And it really does reveal a reality of this beautiful landscape. It's diverse, it's intricate, it's complex, it's confusing. When we look at artwork and we hear the voices, we see the murals, we watch the puppetry, whatever it is that's reaching inside of us, we see a different place. We don't see a militarized zone. We see humanity, and we see it in a spectrum of colors and emotions that come from the ground, from millions of people who live on the border.